Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today, we have the pool noodle stacking challenge for you to try out. All you need are some old pool noodles, cut them into little discs, and pool noodles that have a hole in them so they're able to stack them. Then you just need an old box and like a dowel rod or a stick from outside. So all you'll need to do is cut your pieces, and you could have the same color, you could have different colors, you could have rules where you have to put it in a pattern for it to be correct. So many different ways you could do it, but you have a certain number, you have your setup, and then you'll need a timer, okay? And the one who can stack it correctly the fastest wins. This helps with so many different skills to practice, and competing is so much fun, and it's a really good way to pass the time, okay? So, pool noodle stacking challenge for you and your family to complete. We're excited to see how many competitions come about and who wins. But most importantly, you're gonna have fun, and you get to engineer your stand before you begin. So, the box, there's a hole through the center, there's a dowel rod going up and down, so it goes all the way through. And if you're having trouble with it standing, what you can do is you could tape one of your pool noodle discs to the table so that your dowel rod can stay inside and it won't wiggle as much, okay? So think about different ways you could secure it, and then you are ready for your pool noodle stacking competition. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Topeka Collegiate School for your support of Discovery at Home.